And meron po siyang sinend na message for all of you. And allow me to read her message. Good evening to one and all. Thank you, Taguig National High School Batch 1994, for having accorded me the privilege of sharing this momentous event in your lives, although I am not here with you. I guess this is one rare opportunity where words just don't come easy for me. My heart swells with pride as I know how happy and joyous you are all upon seeing once again your classmates, your batchmates, whom you haven't seen and been together for a while. But my dear former students, may you not only enjoy what today and tonight has to offer. May your unfailing love, support, and concern for your dear alma mater and all that it represents ignite an eternal flame in your hearts to keep it burning for all the boys and girls who shall come to be nurtured within the walls of Taguig National High School as it continues to offer good quality education. Really, today marks a renewal of your purpose to do a sort of payback time. So please, do not forget to always look back to where your personalities were honed to what you have become now. May your dreams for your beloved academic institution continue to produce men and women who may not be of equal success as you are all now, and open new opportunities for those who may not be as lucky as you. I am your forever teacher, one of your cheerleaders looking at how good our God has made you to be you, and praying that you will not forget others to reach their goals in their lives. Congratulations, Class 1994. I miss everyone there tonight, but remember, my thoughts and heart will always be with you. Thank you, and nabuhay. From Ma'am VBF Kagawan, former teacher and retired school principal.
Palakpakan po natin sa bagsak din para sa ating minamahal na Ma'am Phoebe Kagawan. Bakasan! Parang wala na yatang energy ang batch 94, ha? Doc Rhea, mga supplements, huwag kalimutan, ha? Pag-giveaway naman dyan.
Sabi din ni Ma'am Margarita kanina, di ba, losartan yung iniinom, kaya baka naman, sabi niya. Actually, it's her one way of saying, yung mga nasa medical field po na mga...
Ma'am Margarita, subukan niyo po ng Robust. Mas energetic po na.
Alright. Again, maraming salamat po sa ating pong mga former teachers. Truly, na-inspire niyo po kami lalo ngayong gabi. Maraming pong salamat.
With their passion, dedication, and commitment sa pagtuturo, mga kaibigan, mga ate at kuya, hindi ho kayo naging ganyan. Remember that. Kaya maraming salamat.
Okay. So ngayong gabi, we have invited a very special guest to perform for all of us tonight. Actually, he's not just the pride of Taguig National High School. We'd like to inform everyone na ating pong guest is a graduate of Taguig National High School. So again, he's not just a pride of Taguig National High School, pero pride po siya ng buong Pangasinan. And so friends, ladies and gentlemen, here to give us a very special song number, Nitawag ng Tanghalan of Showtime Grand Finalist. Let's put our hands together for Marco Rubio!
Hi everyone, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Check. Check. Halika. Dito ako. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata, hindi ko na kailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig, at kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala. Kunting parang masyado po kayo seryoso.
Okay, ganda ang basta ng iyong mga mata.
Di uncle ko nakanak ako.
Hindi ko maintindihan ang iyong tingin. Labis sa langit ay bumaba, bumababa pala ang talaan. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo nakakailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang iniibig at hindi sino'y magtiwala ka. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang siyang ibig. Ikaw lang iniibig at sa iyo pananampihan ako ay naulubin. Di ko alam kung ano ang gagawin. Di ko alam kung saan titingin. Sa labing na natin nilakalait, maulog ka sa aking piling. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata, hindi mo na kailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang iniibig at kung di kumbinsihin magtiwala ka. Bakit ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang siyang ibig. Ikaw lang iniibig. At sa pulisan ng araw, ala'y di ko mahal. At nararamdaman hindi mo napito. Sinalay ko ang hindi mapagmahal. Iibig kita, hinggatay ko. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata, hindi mo na kailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig at hindi kumbinsin mo'y magtiwala. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang siyang ibig. Ikaw lang ang ibig. See